You will love the features of this 2023 Hyundai Ioniq 5. Performance with panache. That's what this striking Ioniq 5 delivers. Silky smooth power, connected tech, and standout styling come together beautifully in this stunning EV. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: hands-free liftgate, keyless entry, heated mirrors, lane keeping assist, keyless start, backup camera, electronic stability control, power driver seat, aluminum wheels, Bluetooth connection. Feel the optimism that flows through this future-ready Ioniq 5. Treat yourself to a test drive today. Our staff will toss you the keys and give you an outstanding customer experience.